What's going on, everybody? Math with Chris. Here we're going to look at some shortcuts on how to determine if numbers are divisible by 2, 5, or 10. When you're looking at these ones in particular, meaning 2, 5, or 10, the only thing you care about is the last digit, meaning the far right digit of the number. So if you're looking at the number 192, we only care about that 2. That's the only number that matters in determining whether the number is a multiple of 2. It can be divided by 2, 5, or 10. So let's look at 2 first. If the last digit is a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, that means the number is even, and that means the number is divisible by 2. Come down to our potential numbers here. 87, the 7 is not one of those. That's no good. 95, 5 is not one of those. That's no good. 142, that checks out. The 2 is what matters. The 2 is on that list. 670 ends in a 0. The 0 is on that list. It's good. 8,000 ends in a 0. The 0 is on that list. That's good. 5,419, 9 is not on the list. No good. 16,432,766, only thing we care about is that last 6. That's on the list. Color it in. 865, 5 is not on the list. No good. 70, 0 is on the list. 0 is a good. So those highlighted ones are the ones that are divisible by 2. Alright, now let's move on to 5. Now, for 5, you're also only looking at the final digit, and with this one, all you're looking for is a 0 or a 5. If the a number ends in a 0 or a 5, then it's divisible by 5. Let's go through the examples. 87, 7 is not a 0 or 5, no good. 95 is a 0 or a 5, the last digit's 5, it's on the list. 142, 2, no good. 670, 0 checks out. It's on the list. 8,000, last number is a 0. That's there. Color it in. 5,419, 9 is not there. No go. 16,432,766. Only thing we care about is that last 6. It's not on the list. It's no good. 865, last digit's a 5. Count it. And 70, last digit's a 0. Count it. So those are the numbers, highlighted numbers there, that are divisible by 5. And now we got to look at 10. 10 is the easiest of all. If it ends in a 0, it's divisible by 10. There's nothing else to it. 87 does not end in a 0. 95 does not end in a 0. 142 does not end in a 0. 670 ends in a 0. That's divisible by 10. 8,000 ends in a 0. That's divisible by 10. 5,419, no. 16, blah, 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 no. 865, no. And 70 is good. It ends in a 0. So it's divisible by 10. Those are your 3 shortcut rules for 2, 5, and 10. Hope you found this helpful. We also have shortcut rules for 3 and 9, which are a little more complicated. Click the video in the upper left if you want to check out one of those. See you guys again real soon.